video. Video on the iPad mini 2 is excellent. There's no other way to describe it. You've got sharp images, a large screen and, the black bars aside thanks to the 4:3 screen ratio, a thoroughly immersive experience. However, it's not the best out there. You can argue that the larger iPad Air 2 and the Amazon Kindle Fire tablets have better screens when it comes to color reproduction, giving a more natural-looking experience. But once you've plopped your favorite movies onto the iPad mini 2, you're in a very good place indeed. The 7.9-inch screen is a really portable size that means you can cart the mini 2 around with you without getting wrist ache from too much watching. The range of movie codecs supported is still disappointing though, with MP4 really the main one that will be supported. iTunes is still an infuriating platform to use to get video onto your iPad. For instance, I needed to re-encode the battery test video just to get it on. Compare this to the drag-and-drop nature of Android and you'll see that there's still a disparity between the systems. However, once it's on there, things generally look really good, and that's what matters. Yes, unknown files will have odd thumbnails, but for the most part everything is slick. You've also got the added bonus that a number of Blu-ray discs now come with an iPad-compatible copy of the film, where Android has to make do with ultraviolet. Apple's method is so simple and works just as well as if you'd paid far over the odds for a simple TV show or movie from its own store. I'm getting sick of moaning about the cost of videos on the iTunes Store, but at least the breadth is getting seriously wide. If you've got an Apple TV, you'll wonder how you ever spent so many nights in Blockbusters trying to choose a film to rent.